50 1/8. Girth that.
Okay, this is harder than... Ladies and gentlemen, we got a 50-incher in the net. How's it feel to join the 50 club, buddy?
About time.
Here, now support her. Just hold her, grab her by the tail, roll her so her belly's down.
Roll?
Just fishing line. Roll her over. We're gonna support her right side up. There we go. Look at that tank.
Where am I getting?
Jumbo, baby. She tenses up, gets going. Just give her.
Push it down.
You gotta push her head down and see if. Push her. Try it now. Even push her head down a little bit and see if she seems to like that.
Push it.
Yep. Give her a good shot.
Give her a shot. You're done fishing?
No. Fish. I lost it. No. Yeah, what do you got? You need a net? No, a little. Yeah. Oh, I thought it. Sorry, I touched it down.
Oh, fish here, fish.
Just keep it down. I got it.
Oh, she's heavy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. You guys ready?
Hold on, no. Just relax.
Oh, shoot. Musky. Musky. Oh boy, it's big. It's big. No, come on, stay on. Ready? Ready?
No.
He's right here. Ready?
But yeah, they'll raise it.
Come on. Hold on. Come on.
Baits.
Come on. Ready? He's right here. Ready? Yeah.
Drake. Let it go.
It is.
Okay, we're good.
Yes.
We're good.
Heck yeah, boys. Woo!
Okay.
Fish.
Remember, you can just your drag.
Yep, I know.
What happened?
Fish on.
You got it?
I think so. Oh. I think this is a walleye. It's big though, whatever this is.
Feed it if you need to.
Small musky or walleye. I can't see. You ready? Got him? Recording. Look at the size. Pretty heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
It's a tank. It's a tank.
Corey, roll the belly towards me.
That is a huge walleye, dude.
We good?
Yeah,
One
you
more.
can really.
One more. Look
Gotcha.
towards me, Corey.
You gotta look back at the video.
Are we good?
Yep.
Hey, we'll live to fight again.